Hello guys, welcome to Faraday FPV channel. This video I would like to talk about the JST connector types we normally use in FPV drone hobbies and how to tell the difference between each type of connectors. And first of all, JST is not the name of the connector, it is the name of the company who produced these connectors. It stands for Japan Solderless Terminal, and they produce many types of JST connectors, well, and we just call them JST. So, and that mixed things up because there are many subtypes of JST connectors. So the first type is XH 2.5 millimeters, which is the balance plug of lithium polymer batteries. So I should I maybe I can skip this type of connector because you all know it so well. You see it every day, but then just in case you do not notice, then there is a locking crest on a side of the connector, and this crest is in U-like shape here. It's like a U shape here, and this photo does not reveal the shape. uh, this photo is better, and the crest is here, is formed the shape like a U shape. Okay, and there is a notch on the side of the connector, and the notch is only appear on the positive side of the cable. It only appear on the red side or the red wire of the cable. There's a notch here. Can you see it? Yeah, the notch here. And then let's move on to PH 2.0 millimeters. This type of connector we usually found it on the battery of Tiny Whoop, the one cell battery. They all use PH 2.0 millimeters. And the way to identify the connector is that the holes are in square shape. The holes are in square shape, and next part to identify it is that there is a crest along the length of the connector here. Along the length of the connector, there is a crest on it, and in this photo it is 2 pins PH 2.0 millimeters. But if it is 4 pins or more, PH 2.0 millimeters connector, then the crest will not be only one. There will be two crests on the 4 pins or more PH 2.0 millimeter connector. Okay, there will be two crests for 4 pins or more. Okay, let's move on to ZH 1.5 millimeters. I rarely found it's used in FPV hobby much, but it is very similar to other types of connectors, so I put it here so you know that it's not ZH. Okay, the holes of ZH 1.5 millimeters are in round shape. They are in round shape here. And the next thing to identify the ZH is that the side crest has the same height as the fin on the back. The fin in the back and the side crest, they have the same height. This photo might show it better, that here is the side crest, and then there is the fin on the back. They have the same height. Okay, let's move on to GH 1.25 millimeter. The GH mostly used in FPV camera, tiny whoop motor, and something like that. The way to identify it is that the holes of the GH has grooves extend from the holes, and the grooves extend until the end of the corner of the plastic of the connector, of the end of the material that made the connector. And on this angle you will easily notice the grooves that extend from the hole here, where the three arrows point are the grooves. And this angle you may see it better. There 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 are the grooves that extend from the holes. Okay. Next, just the SH 1.0 millimeters. We normally use it in circuit board like flight controller, video transmitter, or receiver. And the best way to identify SH 1.0 millimeter connector is that there are teeth-like crests on a side of the fin on the back. The fin on the back of the connector, just one side of it, there are small fins protrude out of the back of the fin on the back here, like I circle it with the rectangular shape here, and that's the best way to identify the SH 1.0 millimeter connector. Okay, and that is all. Oh no, just for comparison, the holes of the SH 1.0 millimeter, it has the same or similar shape as the GH 1.25 millimeter. The only difference is that SH 1.0 millimeter connector, its holes do not have grooves extend from the holes. It's just the holes, no grooves. Okay, SH 1.0 millimeter, no grooves, just the hole. And if you go back, can we go back? Yeah, and there are teeth-like crests on the fin. Okay, that is SH 1.0 millimeter. Okay, that is all. If you are looking for these connectors and somehow you live in Thailand, you can visit my Shopee shop, shopee.co.th/oranmic28. I will put the link in the video description too. So check it out if you are looking for JST connectors in Thailand. If not, then you can find my other affiliate link and buy through that link, and I will get something and you pay nothing to me. Okay, and see you next video. Bye bye.